Good morning. Songkran has started. The weather is, as you can see, it's a water festival. So let's see what's gonna happen today. We never know. Hello, we are in Patong for Songkran festival. It started yesterday. Hello, hello.
Lite lugnare idag. Det är det faktiskt.
So it's a bit slower today, and it seems like we have a real badass thunderstorm coming in. Maybe we won't stay dry today either. Who knows? So we're ordering Thai food in Thailand. They say pet mak. That means very spicy.
Thank you.
Oh.
Du är nöjd med?
Ja, nu är jag nöjd. As you can see, we have some friends here in Thailand. Annika is scared. Mums. Show time is over, guys. So that was Songkran for us. Do not have an expensive clothes on you. Do not have cameras that are sensitive to water, or equipment at all that is sensitive to water, because you are going to be wet. It doesn't matter if you're in a tuk-tuk or just walking on the street. They are both stationary and mobile. These kind of things are essential. We're going to meet one of Annika's daughters and her husband tomorrow, and some extended family, and that's in Kamala. So we are going to Kamala tomorrow, and I will show you how we see Kamala. We're going to be there for a couple of days, so it's going to be enough time to make a vlog, I hope. If I get the peace and quiet I need to do it. You know, you only live once, right? And as you may see, the weather is turning a lot more dynamic in this season, and I think it's cool. It's not cool, but it's cool that it's actually changing, but it's changing fast. So be prepared for rain any time of the day. I am pretty sure that's going to include some heavy raining. There you have the Buddha. It looks small, but it's extremely large. So that's, I think it kind of wraps it up. And it's nice to be dry again. Funny thing about clouds here in Phuket, they tend to, get stuck on the mountain and just grow larger and larger and larger until they just release everything they have, and then it's gone. And then it's just up to wait for a new one. You can actually subscribe even if you like or dislike this video. Bye bye.
Thank you.